Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation on the Family Court Services Coordination Program here at the Assigned Counsel Program. My name is Tiffany Stein, and I'm the Family Court Services Coordinator. A little bit about my background. I graduated in 2008 from UB with a bachelor's degree in psychology, and then from Medaille in 2014 with a master's degree in mental health counseling. I worked for 3 years at Horizon Village, which is an inpatient drug and alcohol rehabilitation center. From there, I went on to work as a senior caseworker for Erie County Children's Services for 6 years. You may be asking yourself, what is the Family Court Service Coordination Program? This program is designed in a similar way to the role of a caseworker for DSS. My job is to assist clients in linking them with programs required on their court menu and to obtain updates from those programs to provide to the court. I find that many times a client has a hard time trusting their DSS caseworker because they are employed by the agency that has filed the petition against them and in some instances have removed their children from their care and feel that many times, no matter what, they are always against them. I am here to be someone that they can trust since I am working alongside their attorney to get their desired outcome in their case. Rather than work with the whole family unit, I will be working directly with the client that you represent. My goal is to help them get the best possible result on their case. Although I can take a look at and assist with issues on any family court related case, the most common ones will be abuse and neglect, custody and visitation, and family offense cases. While the abuse and neglect cases will have a court menu that needs to be followed, many other cases will not have a set of guidelines to follow. In these cases, such as custody and visitation or family offense, I am able to assist in any area that the client may be struggling. The client themselves may feel that they need some added support and programs to help them out, or maybe the judge is suggesting that they complete certain types of programs to further their case in the right direction. Whatever the matter or area of concern, there is help out there, and I am able to provide linkages to those cases. As most of you familiar with abuse and neglect cases know, all clients are assigned to a DSS caseworker who should then be making referrals and following up on progress of their clients to report back to court. The difference between DSS and myself is that while they are focusing on the family as a whole unit, I am focusing solely on your responding client. Having come from the DSS world, I know that sometimes views and goals can get skewed, reports aren't always obtained in a timely fashion, and at times a client may feel that their caseworker is actually working against them rather than for them in the reunification of their family. It is my goal to advocate for your client and provide up-to-date and accurate reports that you can bring with you to court so you aren't always relying on what DSS has to present. I know many people view CPS and DSS as the bad guys and that their only goal is to tear families apart, which can sometimes impact a client's willingness to participate in the programs required by the court. My hope is that the client will be able to trust me since I am working for their attorney, and that I will be able to form a positive relationship with them and encourage them to complete what is asked by the court to move their case along in the direction that will benefit them. I am able to refer clients to a multitude of programs that they may be asked to complete, such as mental health assessments, substance abuse assessments, housing assistance, parenting classes, or domestic violence classes. In addition to referring them to these programs, I will also be having them sign releases for me so that I can obtain the updates needed for court appearances. I can also assist them in other areas that they may not be required, but they are struggling in that could benefit their case. Once in-person court appearances resume, I will be stationed in family court where I can meet with you and your clients to sign releases and discuss case goals and progress. I can also meet with clients at their homes or in the community to get necessary paperwork signed. If you have a client that you think could benefit from having an added support system, You can refer them to me in a few different ways. You can send me an alert on Defender Data, email me, or give me a call. Whichever method you choose, please include a brief summary of their case and the areas that you feel they need assistance in. If there is a court menu or proposed court menu, please include that in the referral. If the original petition is not available on Defender Data, please also include that in the referral as well. I will get back to you and let you know if there's any additional information I need before I can begin working with the client. Please also let your clients know when you're going to refer them to me so they're not caught off guard and understand what my role in their case is. This is not a mandated program, so if they aren't willing to work with me or don't feel they need the additional services, their case will have to close. Going forward, I will be self-assigning myself to all new Article 10 cases and leaving you a note in Defender Data to remind you of my availability and see if you feel that case may benefit from services. I will be including my contact information in the note, or you can simply reply through Defender Data and I will reach out to further discuss the case in detail. If you have any questions or concerns, or to make a referral, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email address is tstein@assigned.org. That's T as in Tom, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, EIN as in Nancy, @assigned.org. Or you can give me a call at 716-289-0401. This is a business cell phone, so it is appropriate that you can give this number to clients as well. Thank you.